Hello, kindergartners and mathematicians. We have our worksheet page next. Looks like this. We are going to be doing the same thing that we have been doing the last few weeks, and it's so important for our math thinking to think about our addition, adding together our two addends to find the sum. We're going to be doing the same thing as we have been doing. So today, I'm going to do the very first letter with you, just to get us started, get our math brains thinking. And then I'm going to let you do the rest by yourself because we've had so much practice that I think you can do it all on your own. So looking at the first one, I'm just going to do this with you. Using my red, I'm going to circle, just like we've been doing, the number that the question is asking us about. The sum is 5. Which choice or choices best shows 5? So now, looking at A, we are going to be doing our number sentence. And it says, let's say it together, 2 plus 3 equals, purple, 2 plus 3 equals, you got it, 2 plus 3 equals. Okay, let's figure it out with some pennies. I have my counters with me. I have 2 pennies. See, 1, 2, 2 pennies. And then I have 1, 2, 3 pennies. So 2 and 3 more pennies make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies in total. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies, or we can do it with our fingers. 2 fingers and 3 more fingers make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We double checked. I'm gonna let Zeke in. Come on in, bud. Okay, so we figured out that 2 plus 3 more equals 5, right? Okay, does 5 equal our sum that's shown in our answer or our question here? Right, 5 equals 5. So we can circle A. Okay, I'm going to let you go through and finish this problem on your own, as well as the rest of the 8 problems on our sheet. Looking at the next worksheet that we have for today, looks like this. We are going to be finding the sum that is shown here. So finding the sum in this first box. So we do 1 plus 2, finding that sum, and then 5 plus 2, finding that sum, and then we're going to compare our 2 answers that we found in each box. We are going to be circling the least number with orange and circling the greatest number with blue. Okay, so name at the top, getting out your numeral writing, marker, crayon, pencil, whatever you're using, and purple for purple, math symbol. And then we're ready to start. Okay, I'm going to be using the finger counting strategy today. You can continue counting with your pennies if that helps you, or you can think about using dots, mental math, using whatever works best for your thinking. Okay, looking at number 1, our first box here. We already said our addition problem is 1, our number sentence is 1 plus 2. This line right here is like an equal sign. So let's go over with our black marker, or crayon, or pencil. Our numeral is 1, our first addend. plus purple punctuation, purple math symbol. 1 plus 2 equals our line across the bottom. So 1 plus 2. I'm going to be using my fingers. So 1 and 2 more make 1, 2, 3. 3. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3. 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. You got it. 3. Okay, so we found one of our addition problems. The next one says 5 and 2 more. So I'm going to use my black for my numeral. 5. Purple. Plus, what's our next addend? 2, right. 2 equals our line there. 5 plus 2 equals, use my fingers again, 5 and 2 more make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you find this number too? Right, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. 5 and 2 more make 7. Okay, comparing our two numerals, there are two sums that we found in our addition number sentences. Which number is the greatest number? Point to the number on your sheet that is the greatest sum. Yeah, 7, right. So we need to circle that with blue. And then which number is our least number? Right, 3. That's what we have left. So circling that with orange. Okay, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to let you do the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your own. Okay, so looking here, black. Our first addend is a 2. Purple. We know this is addition, so we need a plus. 2 plus, what's our second addend? 6, right. 2 plus 6 equals, we remember the line across the bottom. So 2 plus 6, maybe I'll use my counting method for this with my dots. So I have my 2, and I need to get, that won't work. Let's not do that one. I'm gonna use my fingers again, just so I know that it's the easiest for you to understand. I'm going to do 2, so we know 2 plus 6, so we have 2, and let's count up from 2. So think 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? Okay. So we have, how many fingers are we holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we held up 6. Let's double check. 2, counting up from 2, 6 more fingers, because we have 2, and now we're adding 6 more. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So do you see how we added the 6 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got, what was our total? 8, right. We added 6 to 2 and got 8. We could also have all of our fingers up. We could have 2, there we go, and then add, I have too many fingers up, 2, and then add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we double checked. We have 8. Now looking at our next, our first addend is a 6. Okay, purple. Our next addend is a 2, right? Purple equal sign. Okay, so now we have 6 plus 2. Before we had 2 plus 6, now we have 6 plus 2. So using my fingers again, I have 6 and now I need to add 2 more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's the same answer. Let's double check. Let's double check using the counting on or adding on, counting on method. So we're starting with 6 and then we go 7, 8. 8. We double checked. Okay, so 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's take our black and now circle both because we know 8 and 8 are the same number. Do you see one, is one larger than the other? No. Is one smaller than the other or the least number? No, they're both the same. So we're just going to circle both of them. Nice work. Okay, I want you to finish the next 6 on your own. Same thinking, circling the greatest and the least, or circling both if they are the same. Okay, finishing those up, and I will see you next week for some more missing addends thinking. Bye, everyone.